That's the base of a rose bush, which I had grafted, and a lot of grafts have been successful. That's a graft that was budded this year, and it has grown. Not only grown, but also it is a bud is appearing at the top. There was another bud graft over here that was at the top of this branch, so its growth is much more than the other one, and it has a bud which is looks like it will be opening up soon. There was another graft done at the top of this branch using the method cleft graft rather than bud graft, and that has few flowers. That red one, and on these branches that was another bud graft, and at the top of this one that's another bud opening up. Next to it that is another bud graft. It's a different variety, and those yellow flowers at the top, they look more beautiful. Looks like they will be opening up soon. On the next one, I grafted few varieties, and not everyone has grown. That is one graft. Although the graft has healed, but it has not grown yet. At just above it, that is a bit doubtful. The top has turned brown, the bottom is still green. The one above it, that didn't take off, and there's one at the top that is another bud graft, and that has been successful. That has grown. That is its original variety grafted onto one branch. That was next branch that was bud grafted, and that graft has grown. I don't see that it will produce any flowers this year, but it has grown. At the top, that grafting was done. It looks like that is cleft graft. That was done a while back, that has grown quite high up to the bedroom windows. Different varieties, different colors. They look so beautiful, and if you look after them, they keep producing the flowers, nice, beautiful, one after the other one, for months and months, more than any other plant which produces the flowers. And the best thing is, if you can graft them with the different varieties, you can see the different colors on one rose bush. Those flowers go right up to the bedroom window.